Web 2.0 in social computing in an organizational context can also bring down the barriers of geography and organizational boundaries, because you might put an all-star team regardless of where they are located organizationally or even physically, and you can still get the job done. So I'll spend some time talking about a real-life case study, and I know the next slide is not going to work properly, but I'll try. And the case is none other than IBM. We at IBM have an corporate intranet called W3, or On-Demand Workplace, and I'll probably need a session for an hour just to talk about W3. But in a nutshell, I can't really do my job at IBM without W3. It enables me to connect with other people within IBM, with other applications and services and knowledge. And the beauty is, it's never a done deal. It's always work in progress. And based on what the needs of employees, we always keep adding functionalities to our W3.
So is this moderated, or can anybody just add anything?
Well, it's both, depending on which section of W3 you're on. I mean, you can't just go and edit the CEO's message, but you can edit your own weblog or blog. So again, we keep adding functionality to our W3, and the need of the hour is again, social computing. And so IBM came up with a product called Ventura, and most of the components of Ventura they are in use internally at IBM in different forms. And I'll talk about each of the components of Ventura, which is basically ties all these components together on a single platform. The first thing is personal profiles, and what I'll do in the following slides is actually dive a little deeper into all these components. The next component is called communities. The third one is blogs, whereby it gives a conduit to users to vent their personal perspectives. The next component is called bookmarks, where people can go and bookmark sites not just in their own browsers, but also on a server, and they can also tag these bookmarks so that other users can take advantage of the social tagging.
Quick question.
Sure.
Are your blogs monitored by someone internally?
Well, it's not really monitored, but we do have guidelines about how to write and what to write in blogs.
Are they monitored though? Are they open blogs?
They're open blogs.
So anybody can say anything they want?
Yes.
So how do you control bad stuff?
It has never happened yet, but if it happens, he or she will come to know about it very soon.
But it's not a bad thing to have the Wild West. In part of your system, there should be a place for the Wild West.
I'll try that to be OD.
Well, maybe.
All right, and the final component is called activities, where people can collaborate in an ad hoc fashion. And most of these components are already in use at IBM, and IBM is very good at productizing our own success stories. And so the first release of this product is going to be out in the first half of 2007. At this point, we are doing a lot of pilots at a lot of good companies, big companies. So let me talk a little bit more about each of these components. The first component is called Blue Pages, which we still use, but it's basically the Facebook of your organization, and we are going to enhance our existing Blue Pages in such a way. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but even here, you can have all the other components of Ventura, like communities, blogs, bookmarks, and activities right there. And so other than your corporate business card information, like your phone number and address, and you can also have your photograph, who you report to, and also you can tag yourself so that others may know what you are good at, what you are expert at. The second component of Ventura, and again let me step back. So Blue Pages, again, it is the anchor of all the other components of Ventura. As I said, you can see communities and blogs and bookmarks and activities anchored just on Blue Pages. The second component is community management tools, and in the consumer world, we have seen like Yahoo or Google Groups, they are very successful, very popular. And even within an organization, we are doing the same thing with community management tools. If you see in the right-hand corner, most active and popular communities are also surfaced so that people know, what is going on in the organization. And also, people can tag communities so that it's easier for people to find, their own communities or different communities. The third component is blogging, and as I said, blogging is again based on certain corporate guidelines, so people don't just put garbage. And not everybody will blog, but even if a small number of people start blogging and there is a large group of readers, then I think still it can be very successful and influential. And it's not just internal, we also do it with our customers and partners. And some companies like Microsoft, they also do it for marketing. For example, they have, I think, more than 3,000 employee weblogs or blogs that are publicly available, and in which all they do is keep talking about Vista and Office 12, and how it's delayed and why it's so bad. I'm kidding. The next component is called Dog Ear, which is basically social bookmarking. And what it does is, as I said, rather than bookmarking all the sites that you visit on your browser, it tags everything, it organizes and manages everything on a server, so that people can find out, which bookmarks, which sites people are visiting most often, and how they're tagging it. And what I really like about this component of Ventura is that people who use the same bookmarks and same tags, they are also identified in a group and they're listed, so that they know that who else besides me are really looking at these bookmarks. And over a period of time, as people start tagging more, they'll realize more value out of it. And the final component is activities, where basically it's a community of practice mechanism where people can collaborate in an ad hoc fashion, and they can basically have their documents and discussions and everything going on for the job to be done.
Right now, this is internal to IBM. From the outside, you can't look at it. Right?
Well, IBM.com has some some of these functionalities like blogs that we use for customers and partners. And as I said, we do it internally first, and given its success, we open it up as a product, we productize it and sell it to make money. So that's pretty much it. I hope I did it on time.
All right, thank you very much.
You all have a number, and you know what table you're headed for. Go get them. And give
Since there was an extra chair here, I'll just sit here.